At 2015, set 1 EC, question number 54. The electric field of a plane wave traveling in free space is given by following expression: Ay 24 pi cos omega t minus k naught x volts per meter. In this field, consider a area 10 cross 10 centimeter square on a plane x plus y equal to 1. Then the total time averaged power in milliwatts power passing through that square area is being asked. So in order to solve this question, we need to know the average Poynting vector is given by half E naught square by eta naught ax hat. Coming to the solution, we have time varying electric field given by 24 pi cos omega t minus k naught x ay hat. This is the electric field direction and this is the magnitude which is varying with time. So since the average Poynting vector is half E naught square by eta naught ax hat, we can say that it will be equal to half 24 pi whole square divided by eta naught. For air, eta naught is root over mu naught by epsilon naught, which is equal to 120 pi ohms. So into ax hat, which is equal to 1 by 2 24 pi square divided by 120 pi ax hat, which is coming out to be 7.53 ax hat. So this is the average Poynting vector, but in the question there is the surface x plus y equal to 1. On that surface there is a plate 10 centimeter cross 10 centimeter. On the surface x plus y equal to 1. So the direction of this surface is f, that is unit vector along the direction normal to the plane, will give the direction of this area vector, which can be determined by taking the coefficients of the plane ax cap plus 1 ay hat. This is the vector which is perpendicular to the surface, but this is not the unit vector, we need the unit vector. So this divided by root 2. So this is s cap equal to ax hat plus ay hat by root 2. So now what we do, we find component of p hat along s cap, that is found out to be 7.53 by root 2 into ax hat and dot product with ax hat plus ay hat. It once again, to find the component of this p hat along s hat equal to, we need to take the dot product. So p dot, the unit vector that is normal to the area, which is ax hat plus ay hat divided by root 2 equal to 7.53 ax hat dot ax hat plus ay hat divided by root 2. So the power component along this direction, the plate was this and we have the vector normal to the surface. So in this direction we need the power flow. So we took the dot product and found out the component of P along S cap. This can be written as P along S cap. So this is found out by taking the dot product, and we found out that this will be 7.53 by root 2. Now the power passing through plate is given by 5.32 into 10 into 10 into 10 to the power minus 4 equal to 53.2 milliwatts. So answer will be 53.2 milliwatts. Thank you.